Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the COWSAR. Both machines promise quick ice production, but how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we will dive deep into their features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide which one is the best fit for your home bar or kitchen. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker is priced at $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to add an ice maker to their home. In contrast, the COWSAR ice maker comes in at $109, which may be a consideration for buyers looking for additional features. While the Sweetcrispy offers great value, the COWSAR's higher price might reflect its advanced functionalities. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production speeds, with the Sweetcrispy producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the COWSAR produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This slight edge in production speed could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize quick ice availability for parties or gatherings. In terms of features, the Sweetcrispy is straightforward, providing essential functions for ice making, including a scoop and basket. On the other hand, the COWSAR ice maker includes a self-cleaning function, which can save time and effort in maintenance. This feature may appeal to users looking for convenience and ease of use in their ice-making experience. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and COWSAR ice makers have their strengths. The Sweetcrispy offers affordability and slightly faster ice production, while the COWSAR provides additional features like self-cleaning. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your home. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.